Hey friends, Tuxx here. For this particular video, we're going to talk about the Y2, the upcoming music player for 2026 that might just be revolutionary. A lot of people have showed concerns. Reading through the comments, even I've seen a lot of people a little skeptical. They're ordering it, but they're not sure about it. And, I can kind of see why. I do have some good news to share, though, is the fact that I did follow the tracking on my order, and apparently it has shipped, and apparently I'll have it on Monday, okay? And that is with the expedited shipping, which to me that doesn't seem particularly fast. The fact that it's Monday and I'm recording this on a Wednesday and I ordered it like a week ago or something. You can check the dates in the video. So I feel like the expedited shipping probably didn't pay off. I'd be curious if you ordered the Y2 from Amazon, if your order shipped or not, okay? Because that honestly is probably the faster way of getting it right now. Using their service, and it's just strange. It's this iShop thing, and you have to like click on the link, and they give you a tracking. And at least at first, the tracking they sent me had no movement at all. So I kind of almost thought that maybe they just printed a tracking number and then like didn't really have the product or weren't planning on shipping it, but just sent out a tracking number as a means to appease the masses who paid, $16 expedited shipping or whatever. Amazon makes it look like it's not shipping for a few weeks actually. So maybe they're waiting for them to get their hands on their copies or something. Perhaps me getting it Monday is the same day Amazon's actually getting it themselves, and then Amazon would ship it out from that point as well. So it'll be interesting to see. So, but ultimately, it's definitely more expensive to ship through the actual company website, with expedited shipping and their little iShop, like worry-free shopping experience, $2 or whatever it is, than just ordering from Amazon, where Amazon, you can speak to a live rep and that they'll take care of you if something goes wrong, And so I'm hopeful that I'll actually get my copy on Monday. And of course, I'll bring it to you guys as soon as I can, so we can check it out together and see, is this something that's going to be revolutionary for 2026? Right now I'd say the F20 Pro, I'm loving this device actually. So at least as of right now, if I had to pick a budget DAP player, for 2026, the F20 Pro, it would be my pick for a under, I guess under $200, under $150 type player. This thing still feels super solid, and it's going to take a lot for this to stand up to it. But the specs, again, seem really good. So if you're on the fence of buying a F20 Pro or a Y2, I mean, the Y2 specs are still a little speculative. It's a little unknown. There's been different things released out there. It's really hard to distinguish like fact from fiction on the exact specs because the company themselves, in a lot of cases, don't give out exact information. I believe both are going to be Android 12. This is definitely Android 12. As far as DACs go, this says, dual ESS 9018K2M chips, which is really good. Okay, it's a solid, budget level audiophile listening experience. And I gotta tell you, with that new firmware update, this thing sounds amazing, almost rivaling, and I got some heat for saying this, kind of a hot take, almost rivaling the $1,000 Sony ZX707, which is really amazing. So could the Y2 live up to that? I don't know. It just depends on the specs, and it depends on the hardware, and there's a lot of question marks about the hardware itself, and we'll see what that comes with. I mean, they believe this is going to be a single budget DAC, but it doesn't really say exactly, so I'm not really sure at this point, so I don't want to lead into too much speculation on it based upon the newest information that I've been told, As far as other stuff goes, outputs, we'll see exactly what happens with this. This does have a balance 4.4. We'll see what's on the Y2 when it comes. Wi-Fi, obviously this dual band, Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. This we're not so sure about yet. Streaming apps, Spotify, Tidal, Apple Music, etc. This one we're not sure about yet. There's just a lot of good, questions out there that we really need answered to know of what the new one of this is going to compete with. The Y2 is going to compete with. The screen size, 2.73, and this is a smaller screen, but it is partially because it's creating that whole iPad aesthetic, And as far as battery life, this is 10 hours at 2,500 milliamps, and this is probably going to be longer due to simpler hardware, but time will tell about that. And again, the price, this is about $150, and this is about $60 to $90 depending upon configuration. And it really seems like the configuration is 8 gigabytes plus either they include a 64 chip or they don't, so that's kind of the difference. But to get a 64 gig chip for like, I guess it's like $10 more or whatever, for the 72 gig configuration, isn't a terrible deal. The chip, I'm sure, is questionable in quality because it's gonna be like no name chip. But, for that price, it's not a bad deal, quite honestly, for the chip. So anyway, guys, that's the latest update. Mine is definitely en route. I should have it Monday. I will keep you posted. I'm still fingers crossed I get it. And hopefully it's not just a Y1, like, wouldn't it be a terrible hoot, if they just sent like a Y1 with a slightly different plastic frame on it or something, but they're promising a better scroll wheel and all sorts of crazy things you can see back in my original Y2 video, and with speculation on some of the things. And when I originally made that Y2 video, it was a speculation. It was just, these are the stats. And now there's a little question about, like, were they lying? I don't want to say that, but the stats were really good. So if it's true, if those original Y2 stats hold true, this is going to be a beast, the Y2, when I finally get it. But we will find out together, okay? Thanks for making it to the end of the video. Really appreciate it. If you want to pick up a F20 Pro from Surfans or a Y2 or a Y1, I have links for all this down below, okay? We'll talk to you soon, friends. Keep the conversation going. I want to hear if you ordered it, and if you ordered it from Amazon or if you ordered it from the main company website. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the links.